Hi friends, hi, how's it going today? Hopefully today finds you well. Today I am doing the last regular Ipsy unbagging on my channel. I know I said that before. This year I mean it. I think I said it last year. And last year they sent me an email that said, hey, don't do it yet. We'll give you a deal. And I was like, yes, let's do this deal. And now I'm just over it. So this is the last regular Ipsy unbagging on my channel. With that said, I still do subscribe to the Ipsy Plus box. That is a $25 a month box, and I will still be getting that, but it is on the chopping block. If they do not start improving their boxes, that one I will unsubscribe from as well. But this one I was subscribed to annually, and in order for them not to charge me the annual cost and to have it for a whole nother year, I needed to unsubscribe by the 1st of September, and I did. And they were all like, don't do it. You will no longer get the Ipsy X either. And I was like, yes, I will. I still have Plus. So I think I'm going to hold out on Plus until after the next Ipsy X and then make my decision from there, because I've been kind of consistently disappointed by both the Plus and the X boxes as of late. Like, they're just like piling on top of each other at this point in time. If you guys didn't see my last Ipsy X unboxing, I will link it up in the cards for you. It's more of a rant, just a rant. So it's actually kind of fun to watch if you like watching rants. So there's that. This is the regular Ipsy, and this is the $12 a month subscription bag. It does come to you with a makeup bag and 5 deluxe sample size items, 2 full size. You do get full size items in this bag. They're just kind of few and far between at this point, which they used to come a lot more frequently than they have lately. One of the biggest reasons why I have unsubscribed from this bag is because I no longer need the sample size items. Like, they just are at a point in my collection right now where I do have a sample series. I will link that up in the cards as well. But they are at a point in my journey where the sample size items are just pissing me off just a little bit. Like, I hate having little Barbie size items all over my makeup inventory. So I don't need the samples. I have plenty of stuff here in full size, so I did go ahead and get rid of this. I also feel like, to some extent, that I am in this place where in order to get the things that I want to try from Ipsy, I actually have to purchase them in addition to already purchasing the bag, and that's just not my bag anymore. I do have a ton of stuff. You guys will see an inventory and declutter soon, and you will see I have way too much. I do not need this anymore. So I did go ahead and unsubscribe from this bag. You can see my hand is in the bag. I did go ahead and open it up. So let's dig into it. But with that said, if you are new here, that was the longest intro ever, and I do apologize. My name is Donna. I am a lover of all things high-end beauty and self-care. I am also somebody who is a district leader for Ulta. I try and give you guys all the, prudent information that I can, any kind of educational information that I can about the products that I am using and bringing into my collection. I do have 2 review series here on my channel. One is every Monday, reviewing a palette that is in my collection, any palette that is in my collection. And the second one is my sample series, which, again, I linked up in the cards. And that one I do utilize 7 samples over a 2-week time frame and then come to you with the education that I have regarding those, or the reviews anyways that I have regarding those. So that's really what I do here. I liken myself to a makeup commentary channel. I am also a lady of a certain age who's often told, you can't do, you shouldn't do, because of how old I am. And what I will say is that's not what this channel is about. I'm going to tell you, you do you, boo. You do what makes your heart happy, what soothes your soul, because I'm going to be out here doing what makes my heart happy and what soothes my soul. And I hope that we can lock arms in this journey together, walk through this life together, and yeah, I hope that you'll want to subscribe before you go. With that said, let's walk into this box. I did pull it all out, and it does look like we have something on the outside of the packaging, which I will get to in a second, but this is what the bag looks like this month, and I'm actually Not mad at this bag. This is a really cute bag. I could see this being like my pen pouch in my purse or something. It's very like high-end looking. It's just got a nice little snap closure here. The inside, look at the inside of that. That is beautiful. My favorite color is green. It is on my eyes today. This is the bag, and it's got kind of like this like cream colored, it's got a little bit of texture to it, almost like crocodile skin or maybe snake skin. I'm not really sure what that skin is, to be honest. Maybe snake? I don't know. Let me know. Let me know. Maybe the card says. So there's that. I do love this bag. I quite like this bag. I'm glad that I got it. This is the card that comes inside every single Ipsy. It tells you what the theme of the bag is and gives you in this size, it gives you all the products that you're getting in the bag and what their retail value is full size. So this is the August 2021 bag, and the theme is Wanderlust. It says recharge, reset, and go off the grid. Discover rare new ingredients. Go wild with mayonnaise. Oh my God. Go wild with mayonnaise. Try techniques that soothe your skin and your mind. Your greatest adventures start with you. Hashtag Ipsy Wanderlust. I love this card. I love the butterfly and the flowers and the pretty foliage. It says on the back, it's your turn. It gives you some information on, typically on the products in the box, how they made their decision. And then it also typically will have a date on it in which you get to choose an item for your bag next month. And then we have the information on the card. First things first, let's talk about these that came on the outside of the bag. I get sheet masks from them often, so much so that I don't think I've bought a sheet mask in like 4 years. These are from the Cream Shop. They are fusion sheet masks, and they're a duo. So there are 2 different ones here. We have the blueberry and banana and the peaches and cream. These are for days or nights when your skin needs a quick pick-me-up. These sheet masks are the answer. Pop on the blueberry banana mask for clearing and brightening benefits, and the peaches and cream mask for a gentle cleanse and some skin smoothing cream. And they are $3 per mask. So this is $6 for the pack of 2. So I'm always happy to get a sheet mask. I do love sheet masks. It says it combats fine lines and wrinkles and exfoliates to brighten skin on the blueberry one. And then the peaches and cream says rejuvenates and brightens signs of fatigue and calms sensitive skin and corrects discoloration. So I could use both of those, to be honest. Okay, the next product we pull out is actually a really healthy sample size. This is the Khaleesi Cloud Soft Bod in vanilla. This Lux moisturizer is infused with sweet almond oil, shea butter, aloe vera, and antioxidants. Deeply hydrates and nourishes the skin while helping repair damage. As soon as you smooth it on, your skin will look and feel instantly healthier. That's a claim. That is a claim. This is a deluxe size sample, and the full-size version is $16.95 and has 200 mLs. This one has 30 mLs. I don't have my phone in here with me, so I will figure out what that means for the cost of this and let you know what the retail value of that sample size would be. I love body creams, so I'm actually not mad at that. This I have, so this will go into a giveaway. This is the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Tint in Work. This says your makeup kit equals not complete without this 2-in-1 cream stick. This dusty rose shade can be used to give your cheeks a pretty flush and your lips a gorgeous tint. Plus it's infused with moisturizing mango butter, peach nectar extract, and avocado oils to plump and smooth too. This is a deluxe sample and the full size is $28. I know that this size costs $15 because I purchased this size. So this is a $15 sample. The full size version of that does cost $28. I would say if you're looking for something like this, you don't need a full size. I have this size and it's lasted forever in my collection. Which is why I'm like, let's put this in the giveaway drawers, because I know that there is no way in hell I am going through mine anytime soon. And I probably wouldn't repurchase it, but it is nice. I do like it a lot. So I will go ahead and stick that into my giveaway drawers. The next thing I pull out is this, and this is the Beauty for Real Eyeline 24/7 waterproof eyeliner in olive. I'm happy to have an eyeliner that is not black, to be honest. It says we're always looking for an eyeliner that stands up to the summer humidity, sweat, and of course pool days. And this one definitely delivers. The gel-based formula is highly pigmented and waterproof, so you can splash all day without fear of smudging, which is exciting. That's exciting. I definitely love me a waterproof eyeliner. This is because of my wonky watery eye. This is a full-size product, of course, and this retails for $16. So you guys automatically, I mean, these were worth $31 plus this $37, whatever that Khaleesi body is in the next product. Like, I've already exceeded the cost of this bag, so I'm pretty happy with that. I didn't add anything on to this bag. So yeah, it's really excited to have this guy. I will definitely use it. And ooh, that is a pretty olive tone eyeliner. I do have a couple of green eyeliners, but I definitely love this olive tone. It would actually go really, really good in the eye look that I have going on today. The last thing I have in here is a Saint Lux Brow Gel. This is clear and it says defined brows are the ultimate way to pull together any look. Whether it's no makeup or full glam, this lightweight gel helps them look polished and fuller all day without leaving behind a sticky residue or stiff feeling. And this is actually a full-size item, and it is also $16. I got so much value in this box. This is the problem. This is what Ipsy does to you. Like, you're going, I want to cancel. I'm done with Ipsy. And then you get a bag that's actually pretty damn good. Like, I am happy with every single item that came in this bag this month. Why? Why did they do this to me? It makes me so mad. But I know if I resubscribe, I'm going to get a bag next month that absolutely sucks. So, and is full of mostly, you know, samples, which I know I don't need, which is why I canceled this bag. So I'm not mad at Ipsy per se. I'm mad at the samples, which is why this bag went away and the other one stayed. So that's that. So I have at least a $50 value in this bag for sure. We have all three of these, which are worth $48 total, right, for these. This is $6, and then whatever this is like cake, because you should have a $50 value in your Ipsy Glam bag, your regular Ipsy Glam bag, and I definitely got that in this Glam bag. And all of these products I will use. I will use the sheet masks. I will definitely use this eyeliner. I will use this brow gel, even though I have my Holy Grail brow gel. I will definitely try this one out for sure. I will use a body lotion, and this I use all the time, but I'm going to throw this one into my giveaway drawers because I won't go through mine fast enough to also use that one. So I'm happy with this bag. I'm really happy with this bag. I'm really sad at the moment that I canceled. I even love the bag, but I'm not sad that it canceled. I need to keep talking myself out of this because there's no reason for me to resubscribe to this regular Ipsy bag. This is the last regular Ipsy bag on my channel. Now that I've talked myself back into a place where I know it was a smart decision to unsubscribe from the Ipsy regular bag, what did you guys get in your regular Ipsy bag if you get Ipsy? I would be interested to know. If you are interested in Ipsy and are not yet subscribed to Ipsy, there is a code in my description box below that is just a referral code. It doesn't do anything but get me points. It's not like money. It's not affiliated by any means. It does get me points though, and points equate value towards other items that I can get in a bag. So if you don't want to use my code, that's okay too. It's just a referral code though. But if you are interested, it's down there. There's that. That's all I'm going to say on that. I would be interested to hear what you guys got in your bag. If you have a video out there showing me what you guys got in your bag, let me know. I would love to come and support your channel and watch it. What do you guys think about what I got? Let me know down in the comments section. I would love to talk to you guys down there. And with that being said, thank you so much for coming and visiting my channel today. I do appreciate you and appreciate that you're here. I hope that you enjoyed it enough that you'll consider giving it a big thumbs up. It really does help our channels out here. It lets Ipsy know that there are people watching my videos and liking them. And even if you didn't like it, thumbs it down. Let me know what I could change down in the description box. I think there's a skunk in my backyard. Oh no. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a skunk out there. I also hope that you would want to subscribe to my channel before you go. I would love having you along for this crazy ride of mine, welcoming you into my awesome YouTube fam here, and seeing you down in the comments section. I hope that 2021 is treating you all kindly, and that August is treating you all kindly. I know that this is the last part of August, so hopefully it was awesome to you. I hope that you and yours are safe and staying healthy and well out there in this crazy world that we're living in right now, and doing the best that you can. I hope that you are loving each other, but loving each other from afar. And until next time, bye friends.